Good morning, everyone. So let us understand how Excel works. So now let us use or understand how the function proper works. There is a function called as proper. Now we will understand how it works. Proper functions. So we will start by putting some names in Excel sheet. So first name would be like in the Ram. The proper function is very important when you're using Excel sheet. So these are some names I'm putting on it. So as you can see, the first letter R of Ram is small. That in grammatically it should not be like that. So for that, if you want to change all the letters in a systematic manner, then there is a function called as proper function. So let us understand in an easy way how to use proper function in Excel. So these are the names that we gonna use right now. So name like Ram, Sham, Rohit, Vijay, Om, Omkar, Harsha, and Ramesh. As you can see, the Ramesh H is bigger one, capital letter, and R is small letter. So let us understand proper function. So we will select the data. So we will have a table, a kind of a table. So there is a shortcut key for table and all. Alt H B A. You will get all the lines like a table. So let us understand this. This is the proper function. Proper, select the cell and put it. That's it. We can drag it or let us understand one more. Is equal to proper function tab. So select the cell, close the bracket, and this is the proper systematic grammatically correct. See, those all words looks so perfect, so systematic. So you can change the color also later. You can have the red one, which is a little bit highlighted. These are the functions which are used in the Excel. So please do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.